Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your Amazon package on a map and see where your items are in real time. Let's get started. Tracking your Amazon orders is incredibly convenient and lets you monitor your package's journey from the warehouse right to your doorstep. To begin, open the Amazon app on your mobile device or visit the Amazon website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account where you placed the order. Once you're on the main Amazon page, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the user profile icon. This is typically located in the lower right corner of the app interface. Tap on this profile icon to access your account menu and personal settings. From your account menu, look at the top of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Orders. Tap on this Orders section to view your complete order history and recent purchases. Here you'll see a list of all your recent Amazon orders, both delivered and pending deliveries. Select the specific order you want to track by tapping on it. Even if your package has already been delivered, you can still view its complete tracking history and route. Once you've selected your order, you'll be taken to the Order Details page. Depending on what stage of delivery your package is in, you might see an estimated delivery time window at the top of the screen. Scroll down through the order information until you find the Track Package option and tap on it. This will open the detailed tracking interface where you can see the complete delivery progress. If your package is being delivered by Amazon Logistics or a supported carrier, you'll have the option to view real-time map tracking. Look for the See All Updates button or a map display option. Tap on this to access the live map view that shows your package's current location and its route to your delivery address. The map will typically show the driver's current position and provide estimated arrival times based on real-time GPS data. You can watch your package move along its delivery route and get a much clearer idea of when it will actually arrive at your location. This real-time tracking feature is especially useful for time-sensitive deliveries or when you need to plan your day around receiving your package. Remember that not all carriers support live map tracking, but Amazon's own delivery service typically provides this helpful feature for most eligible packages.